Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert image to text editable in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show convert image to text editable. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click. Then click for a picture option, then find your picture. That is, then I show insert for image in the full face. This title from remove. Now with this, now going to the file menu option, then click for a save as option. Now click for browse, then choose save file format. Now click for a save as type, then click for a PDF option. Now click for a save. That is, now successfully the PDF as type save. Now again going to the Microsoft Word open. Now click for a blank document option. Now open the PNG PDF file in the shape. Now click for file menu option, then click for a open, then click for browse option. Now find your PDF. Now for click, then click for open option. Now click for OK. That is. Then I show convert image to text editable in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.